This interactive demonstrative exhibit was created for a litigation matter to educate on the steps and processes used at a paper mill to create paper, and specifically the non-condensable gases that are created as a byproduct and the systems that are used to deal with them, including the flame arrestor. So to begin with, we can walk through each step of this process, starting with the woodyard, where the wood chips are at from here. The wood chips are taken to the digesters where they are treated chemically. After the digesters, the wood chips move on to the pulp washing facility where they're cleansed to the chemicals and then sent along to the paper machine. You can see that we can easily go to any one of these areas and zoom in for any section by clicking the camera icon. We can also toggle on and off some of these sections by clicking on the eye. So if we don't want to see the woodyard, we can click the eye per step 1 and now it'll disappear. An important part of this exhibit is talking about the non-condensable gas, and we can see the flow of it through pulp washing out to the recovery area and the black liquor evaporator. The next thing we can do is put on labels for the NCG systems. That's the non-condensable gas systems. There are 3 here. If we click this button, we'll go and view one of the systems. From this view, we can give an overview of the NGC system and go through its components. We can label important parts such as the steam injector, entrainment separator, and flame arrestor. We can show the location of the furnace, turn off some of the other labels, show where all the valves are located, and show the flow of the gas from the building to the furnace. We can also show what happens when we increase the pressure and how once the pressure becomes too high, all the valves switch. We can then interact with the valves and show that they're tied together so that if one valve turns, all of the valves turn, and we can show that if one of them was triggered, then all 3 of them were triggered. And we can also show that if the pressure returns down, that the flow continues straight from here. We can view an animation on the flame arrestor explaining what would happen if the furnace flames were to come back too far. This is the flame arrestor. It is designed to quench the flame to prevent it from going further back up the pipe. The NCG comes down the pipe and through the flame arrestor element. The flame arrestor is made up of a metal grid as designed to cool and quench the flames. We can see what it looks like here. In the event of burn back, the flame gets quenched by the grid, which prevents the flame from going further back up the plank. This interactive was designed so that while giving the overview of systems and how they work, one could easily navigate between them and label and explain various sections with the menu system here on the left. At any point in time, we can go back to any element in the interactive. We can go directly back to the animation, we can go to the NCG system, or we can go to area reviews of the overview. With this flexibility, the presenter can easily move around to make points about each subject matter they are discussing. This gives them a very flexible way to present information visually to the judge and jury.